Hello, New School Beyblade and Alexander Kun manga here. And today this is gonna be a bit of a short little video. I just finished the Master Grade Turn A Gundam. Turned out really good. Review of this guy will be up once I build the other one. Oh geez. This is the cool part. If you guys don't know, yeah, probably for the New School Beyblade guys, I'm a Gundam fan. I build model kits. I have this big boy. This is the box that I'm tomorrow. Since this will be going up today, or actually basically today for you guys, I will be building this guy today. So yeah, stay tuned. And also I have a ton of, there's like maybe 14 to 15 videos that will be recording. I will be recording of reviews on Gundam model kits. Because why not? Might do this one on yeah, the Victory Gundam. But yeah, I already uploaded this guy. Oops. This one needs to go up for Alexander Kun manga. But yeah. Okay, no. Goodbye.